Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line here is coming into play. And it is definitely in play right now. This level is very important because it's helping us gauge this movement right here. In what way? Well, there's no doubt about it. That was a very nice movement, but that brings about the question, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind that price movement, or is that just some sort of dead cat bounce type move? And the easiest way you measure that is, well, let's see if the price can actually show some signs of progress, and quote unquote signs of progress being, can the price stay up above that green line, which as of right now, technically speaking, the price is actually closed down below it. But the thing with supports and resistance levels is they're not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with it. So I will definitely still consider this within the range of that area of support. But if on Monday or anytime next week, the price just continues to separate to the downside, at that point, it would, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back to where it was at these low points. And not to insult your intelligence, but when price movements go back to where they were after a really nice move to the upside, well, that's not a true, genuine, powerful move, right? Because the price has all of a sudden gone right back to where it started. So again, not saying that's what's going to occur, but that's why keep very close attention to what the price does. Again, if it goes sideways, that's fine. At least it's still chipping away at this area of the chart. Obviously, if it goes up, that would be just fine too. But if it separates to the downside, the further it separates, the closer and closer it comes to become, where it already was. And that's just a flat out sign of bearishness. Now, in the event the price does start to bounce back to the upside, from a resistance side of things, watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Currently, that is valued at $2.51. So watch that from the resistance side of things. And in the very near term, watch that pink line there as resistance, which is currently valued at $2.44. So $2.44 and $2.51, two key areas of support. In the event the price does separate to the downside, then the very important level of support you would want to see hold at that point would be down around $2.35. So yeah, things are looking a little bit shaky here, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.